These days, you may have heard that many people earn money with chatbots. You may ask, can you earn $100 a day online? The answer to that question is definitely. Chatbots play an important role in the business sector, such as enhancing the user experience, increasing traffic, and 10x the overall ROI. Did you know that according to Markets Insider, the chatbots market will reach a huge scale of $9.4 billion in 2024, compared to $2.6 billion in 2019 at a compound annual growth rate of 29.7% during the forecast period? Now, we can say that it is a new and hot topic in the market, and every businessperson wants to integrate their business using bots to make money and increase revenue. If you want to know how to earn money from bots, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through 5 of the best legal ways to make money from bots in 2021. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, your #1 channel for the best tips and tricks to earning a passive income, from doing surveys to selling books on Google Play. This channel will inform you on making the best decision to earn money in your free time. Remember, earning money isn't about becoming rich, but creating a better life for yourself. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. Let's get started. 1. Bots as a service is a game changer. In both B2C and B2B business environments, chatbots are reshaping the technological landscape. Companies are using AI creation to automate tasks and operations without incurring additional labor costs. Isn't that incredible? With the modern advances in AI software, bots have come a long way. That's the actual reason why businesses are increasingly using them. By using bot technology, you can save on the cost of expensive SaaS tools. As a result, you can increase your productivity and get a higher return on investment. Imagine the possibilities of chatbots. 1. Chatbots can be used to quickly train and onboard new employees. 2. Customer interaction and feedback on a new SaaS product. 3. Chatbots can be used to obtain data from users. 4. Depending on where a potential customer is in their customer journey, send them down your marketing funnel. There is no limit to what a chatbot can do for the growth of your business. So, if you are planning to start a SaaS business, you need to help customers find out what they want from a chatbot. You can make money building chatbot for them and deploy it using services like Tidio. 2. Use chatbots for affiliate marketing. Chatbots can be used to make money with affiliate marketing. When a user interacts with the chatbot and inquires about where to find specific items, you can refer the user to an affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, you can earn an affiliate commission. Many brands and companies offer affiliate programs for bloggers, influencers, and publishers to earn commissions when making recommendations. There are plenty of high-paying affiliate programs out there, and the Bluehost affiliate program also has one, offering $65 to $120 per successful sale. Fortunately, assistance is available. By including a chatbot into your website, you may deliver information to your affiliates even when you are not present, while maintaining a dynamic and personable approach. Implementing this functionality allows you to spend less time dealing with typical inquiries and more time on other important duties. Chatbots can also be used to generate potential customers and identify new affiliate marketers. 3. Use chatbots for lead generation. Another area of using bots to make money online is through lead generation for your business. Even if you are a newbie, we strongly advise you to consider this strategy. Because most businesses aren't interested in the chatbots you're selling. They can be quite interested if you talk about how you can use chatbots to generate leads and drive more sales. Suppose you provide a chatbot for your website users on a specified page. In this case, people are more willing to communicate about their needs with chatbots than to search for products or services online. You can simply capture your potential customer's email address and phone number, while providing them with relevant information using a chatbot. This makes the whole process much easier. If utilized and deployed correctly, chatbots may greatly assist organizations in generating potential leads, tracking incoming visitors, their behavior, and their interests. 4. earn money with bots from native or sponsor ads. If you want to supplement your chatbot income, or even become an occasional person using bots to make money and change your way of living, it will be through advertising. As we all know, an eye-catching landing page is the first choice for marketers to generate high-quality leads and identify potential customers. On the other hand, if you embed a chatbot on the landing page, you can place ads around it. These may be PPC, pay-per-click advertising, such as Google Ads, affiliate advertising or sponsored advertising. Looking to the future, marketers are exploring options for landing pages for conversations via chatbots. This works well because data is one of the things that chatbots excel at. 5. Robotize your business interactions. It's not only about earning money with chatbots when it comes to monetizing them. By using chatbots to automate customer management, you can cut down on current costs. It takes time, money and effort for the team to interact with followers. You need to train agents or spend a lot of time responding to consumer inquiries. Every question and every conversation, whether they are difficult requests or basic product questions, will take man-hours that can be put to better use elsewhere. In fact, your team can be backed up, especially during periods of strong customer service demand, which can result in longer response times. You will not have any of these problems with chatbots. They will respond quickly and provide important information to customers as needed. Simple requests for information will be handled gracefully, and customer support demands such as a refund ticket will be processed rapidly without the need to negotiate with your staff. There are a variety of legal ways to make money with bots. Go ahead and locate one if you can. Please let us know in the comments section down below if you think earning money with chatbots is an alternative for you, and if it is, which one you would utilize. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content and want to find out more ways to earn money online.